Hey guys, today I want to show you something a little bit different. This is a RoadPro tornado fan. It is a 12 volt clip-on air circulator fan that is really popular with the truck driver community. A lot of truck drivers like to use these like in those older trucks that don't have air conditioning, and it's a great way to keep cool because these are way stronger than those like $12 clip fans you get from Walmart that you plug into your cigarette lighter. This also plugs into this cigarette lighter. Down here, it's variable speed. You have on, faster, and really fast. And this thing, it is a little bit noisy on the higher settings, but it throws a ton of air, and I just have it plugged into the cigarette lighter down there. There's no like power light or anything, it just plugs in. This is adjustable 360 degrees with the clip. You have a little locking knob. You can put it on the wall if you'd like, or mount it somewhere if you'd like. The clip is pretty strong. It's got little rubber feet so it doesn't damage the surfaces. And then also, it's got these little like adjustable louver things, so you can like control where the air goes. So I'm gonna put this on my dash right there, and I'll start this up. So that's the lowest speed. I'll turn off my car's heat. That is a lot of air. That is pretty much the lowest it'll go. It hardly moves any air. But there you have it. There is the RoadPro tornado fan. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll have some more fan videos to come, finally.